Alright, let's do one video here. We'll try to get some of the operational features, although with the sun shining, it's going to be difficult. Here's that cracking paint around the right front headlight bezel. We go over here. As you can hear, it's running on the fast idle cam of the choke. Let me kick the throttle. There's our VIN body plate. That's good there. And let's get... There's the red indicator to show that the parking brake is on. Now let's kick the throttle here. Here we go. Visor's up. Now, we haven't brought it up fully to temperature yet. The temperature gauge is just a little past normal. It runs that way. It lies. The speedometer does never return to zero. It always reads about 15 miles an hour fast. The fuel gauge works. It's dead full of fuel. The gas gauge works. Fuel gauge, gas gauge. Oil pressure, that works good. That checks out with a mechanical gauge. The amp meter works good. We got a slight charge going now. I turn the headlights on. You can see the gauge come down. I turn the headlights off. You can see the gauge come up. Here's a left turn signal. Hopefully you can hear the clicking. There's the indicator. Here's the right turn signal. Let's go outside. We'll see the right turn signal. Hopefully we can see those brilliant 6-volt lights working. Let me get the left turn signal. Well, we'll go up in the front. We'll get this one on here. There's your right turn signal. Again, for all of those brilliant 6 volts. It is flashing in the bright daylight. We'll do the other side quick. Okay, so here's the left indicator. Here's the left tail light. Hopefully that's visible. Let's go up to the front. There's the left front. The turn signals do cancel. So here we go. That cancels. The right one. That cancels. All that works good. Now, let's get the radio playing. This does have tube radio, so you can hear it warming up. The Motorcron clock does work. The light in the glove box does work. The courtesy lights under dashes, that works.
Another important point.
Okay.
You're talking about retirement planning.
So there's our radio.
The earlier that you can get.
This is WLS, about 150 miles away in Chicago.
What we tell folks.
But
that if you're in your late 50s
tone,
or early 60s, it's really time to get serious about retirement planning.
and this is front to rear.
It's time to start thinking about how
That's all to the front.
My portfolio from what might look like a
That's all to the rear.
all growth, all risk, to a portfolio that's more
Right
appropriate
there.
for going into retirement.
I've got some still pictures
that
show that the
in some cases, Bill, their
rear seat
jaws
speaker
drop
is
because
Ford
of the
Motor
amount of
Company. It's
It's
stamped as such, part number, all that good stuff. Ashtray,
I don't really mean that.
Right there.
Can blow themselves up. And they've got
So there's a set of keys sitting in here, conveniently enough.
50s to early 60s.
Cigarette lighter works. We'll push that in. We'll see our amp meter. Whoops, horn works. We'll see our amp meter deflect. Put the lights on. Watch that thing draw down. Yep. So
like a muscle. But I have never in 30
And let's go for a local station.
doing retirement planning for fun.
Really?
No, not right now, Jen. We got a game to call.
So there's a local champagne station.
Hey, Illini family, it's Shauna Green. You're listening to
Here's the
Illinois
lighter.
Women's Basketball on
pushed
News Talk
out.
1400
She
and
clicked.
93.9.
She's all good.
WD.
Let me turn this off. And one more thing we're going to check. We'll put our parking brakes on, or parking lights. And again, bright daylight, but there's the tail light. There's the license plate light glowing. There's the tail light. Come up front. Here's the park light, barely glowing. 6 whole volts. Here's another one, barely glowing. And last but not least, we'll do the headlights. Oh, I should mention, the trunk light comes on with the park lights and the headlights. That's how you turn the light on inside the trunk. So here's a headlight, 6 whole volts glowing. 6 whole volts glowing there. I'm by myself, so I can't show you that the brake lights do work. Everything's good with that. We'll turn these guys off. What else can I tell you? Oh, cigarette lighter in the back seat. We better test that one. Here's on the passenger side in the back. We'll push that devil down. Patiently waiting. Notice that the Mercman head lights up with the under dash lights. This is a 2-door hardtop, so there is no dome light as there is in the sedans. So we're going to get this thing to pop up here pretty soon. Then again, maybe not. No, I lied. This one I'm going to have to track down and see what's going on. That one used to work. Don't know why. See if it's gotten better contact here. Nope, hasn't gotten warm. So I'll lie. That one I thought, well, it used to work. Anyway, real quick, we'll roll the windows up and I'll end this video. I know that people are probably getting pretty bored at this point. Here's the window. Rolls up nice and easy, comes straight into the track where it should be. The front ones, same story. And push that seat down, close this door, come over here and do the same thing. Here comes this window up and forward. Look at that. Isn't that marginal? Marginal, that's Magilic. And the front one rolls up nice and easy. All in the track. All where it should be. What else while I'm here? I don't know. The interior we've seen in stills. Here's the headliner. There's one mark on the headliner right here where it's got a little brown kind of fading. Have no idea what that is. I've never tried to mess with it. All of the seams are in good shape. I don't think the roof has ever leaked. The windshield doesn't leak. It's a replacement windshield and it's a replacement back glass. All the side glass is original. Again, the car's been repainted, but none of this was ever touched. in the door jambs and the trunk opening, all of that stuff. Here's the bottoms of the doors. It has never been repainted. So I'll end here, and thank you for watching.